Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to recover a hacked Instagram account. If someone hacked your account and you received an email saying your Instagram was accessed from another device that you don't recognize, then this video is for you. I'll show you a few methods you can use to recover your hacked Instagram account. Instagram accounts are usually hacked because of weak passwords or when you log in on someone else's device and forget to log out. So always use a strong password and avoid logging into unknown devices. Now let's recover the account. The first thing you need to do is open the Instagram app and tap on your profile. Sometimes Instagram automatically logs you back into your account if it was already saved on your device. If that happens, you can quickly change your password and secure your account again. But if you can't log back in because the hacker removed your device from Instagram, then tap on Forgot Password. Enter your Instagram username or email and tap Continue. If your phone number is linked to your Instagram account, you may receive a verification code through WhatsApp. Enter the code to recover your account. You can also tap on Try Another Way and choose recovery through your phone number or email address, depending on what you added to your Instagram account. Instagram will send you a verification code, and once you enter it, you'll be taken to the Create New Password screen. Now create a new strong password for your account. After recovering the account, we also need to remove the hacker's device from your Instagram account. To do that, tap on your profile icon, then tap on the three-line menu icon. Go to Accounts Center, then tap on Password and Security. Under Security Checks, tap on where you're logged in, then select your Instagram account. Here you'll see all devices currently logged into your account. If you notice any suspicious device that you don't recognize, tap on Select Devices to log out, choose the device and tap Log Out. This will remove your Instagram account from the hacker's device, and if they try to log in again, they'll need the new password that you just changed. So that's how you can recover a hacked Instagram account and secure it. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.